Okay, here's the Merkury Innovations. It's a smart light bulb. Hook that up to your Wi-Fi. I bought this at Walmart for $12.88. It's 75 watts equivalent. It's actually only uses 11 watts. It's 1050 lumens, which is pretty bright. Depending on how bright you need a light, works pretty good. It'll work with either the app that it comes with, the Genie app, or with your voice with Google. You can use it with either Alexa, Google Assist, or Microsoft Cortana. All you have to do is get the app, the Genie app, download it on the app, and then you screw in the light bulb. It'll start blinking, and then you connect to your Wi-Fi. It's very simple, easy to set up. Comes with instructions in it, booklets. It's pretty simple. Walks you through how to do it. I'm gonna walk you through it also. I think it's easier to see somebody do it than read sometimes. Here's the bulb. Pretty much the normal size of every other light bulb. But that's pretty much it. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so you download the Genie app. You come to here, hit register. Then you have to agree, hit the agree, and then you put in your mobile number or email and sign in. After you put that in, you get a verification code. After you put in the verification code, you have to set a password. Put in the password, hit done. It wants to allow Genie to access your location. Hit allow, and then hit add home, and you can pick, name your home location. After you did add home, pulls up the location, temperature. You hit add device, and you are adding smart lighting, and you have to power on. Put your light bulb in, screw it in, make sure the power is on to it, the switch is on, and it'll start blinking fast like that. And it's asking you, is it blinking? And you hit yes if it's blinking quickly. As you can see, the light above me, it's blinking quickly. And then you have to put in your Wi-Fi password for your device. After you put in the Wi-Fi password, it's connecting, the light flashing. And now you can pick if it's in the living room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen. This is in the kitchen. And then hit done. Now you can slide this down. It makes it darker and lighter. You can see it's darker and lighter by how you do that. And you can change the color. Ooh, there we go. blue, purple, red. Just slide your finger across to where you want it. And that's for colored. If you want just white, that was right here. If you want just white, put it back to white. It goes like that. And you can, if it's too bright, nighttime, turn it down, go back up, and you can set a schedule of a timer, add the day, time. You could have it change, turn on at a certain time every morning, shut off at night. Pick each day that you want it to do that. If you're on vacation, have it turn on when you're gone, have it turn on and off at certain times like you're getting ready for work. People will think you're home even when you're on vacation. And you can also, you just turn it off by this power button. Off, on, off, on. That's pretty fast. That's pretty fast. There's really no lag there. A lot quicker than walking to the power switch, but so that is how you set up your smart bulb. This is the Merkury Innovations 75 watt